Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are giving a look at the export audio video section. So here we have the window and we have different sections. So let's start with the first one, which is a selection, and we have render track. So we can export the master, which is this channel. Then we have all individual tracks, which are the stems. Then selected the tracks only, and which is a mixture, a blend of the selected tracks. And then we have audio. In this case we have only one track, so we have audio. If we had multiple tracks, we would have like kick, snare, and hi-hat, and so on. Then we have the render start and the render length. So we can just select the starting point and then for how long the audio has to be exported. So if we have a loop section as we have right now, we have the length already set. So now it's 1, 2, 2. If I do something like this and open it, we have 300. Then we have the rendering options. So we can include return and master effects if we have them. Then we can do render as loop. Then we have convert to mono, normalize. Normalize basically takes the highest peak in the whole track, the whole file, and it boosts the overall volume by an amount that allows that highest peak to touch 0 dB. Then we have create analysis file. Then we have the sample rate, and then we have PCM section. So if we do encode PCM, we enable the wave, AFF or FLAC format. Here we have the bit depth, and we also have dithering options for lower bit depths. Then we have the MP3 encoding. Then we have the upload audio to SoundCloud, and you need to have your SoundCloud linked. And then we have the create video. So if you have imported a video in Ableton, you will also have a video panel, and you will be able to export all the audio already applied to the video file. And here we have the video encoder with all the codecs available. And once you're done, you can just click export and you have your track ready. Then you can just select the destination. So let's go on the desktop, save, and here's the whole thing. Once you have exported all the thing, you can just name your track, put tags, add an image if you have the SoundCloud share enabled. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.